everyone, this is Cassie from Maxizm company. Now we are at the warehouse of our Qingdao Port. Today we are going to ship our wholesale model XCMG XE55U excavator to our customer. Let's go! XCMG XE55U is a very popular model. It comes with short tire design, can apply to the narrow work conditions easily. The operating weight is 5,500 kilograms. The boom length is 6,000 millimeters. XE55U enlarged and reinforced the bucket of 0.16 cubic meters. And our customers usually customize the hydraulic pipeline to adopt the different working conditions, like braking and grabbing. Opening his hatch, we can see that the excavator is equipped with original Kubota engine, and you can see the radiator and hydraulic pump, making daily maintenance more convenient. Now let's see the cabin. You can see the pilot control. It improves operating comfort, reducing arm fatigue. It's also equipped with high-power air conditioner, keeps the operator away from hot and cold weather. Our excavator can also equipped with hammer, quick hitch, and rubber track. If you are interested in it, please contact me. I will send you more details. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.